great honor to show you the installation of our products, which are used for different systems, such as heating system and plumbing systems. Now, I'm going to introduce the tools that we need in the following process.
Multi-layer pipe, compression fitting, pipe cutter, electric reamer, spanner. Cut the pipe vertically and precisely with the RIFENG pipe cutter. Round and bevel the end holes with the electric reamer. Choose the right size fitting according to the pipe. Put the nut over the pipe, slide the compression ring over the pipe. Push the inserts into the pipe up to the shoulder. Use the spanners to tighten it up completely. The installation process is finished.